For today's video guys, so mag-create na po ko color karon. Gikan sa long hair to blonde. So, mao ni siya ang result sa ko ang client na very crazy long hair. So, ang gusto is magpa-short hair siya, then magpa-dark color. Very stress na kaayo siya siya. Color na very gold. Gold ba or copper something etc blah blah blah. Almost 2 years na ako siyang client, so this is our final look up. Ganon, hindi na pretty look. Short hair pang millennials na haircut. This is my finished product, bob cut. Dili siya totally bob cut di ayon, in short apple cut. O diba, pretty lang ang peg. O pakila is life si mom. So please subscribe or follow my page, Jess Hicaro. Thank you so much.